morning, students. Let us do today chapter number 9, perimeter and area. So first of all, before doing the exercises, let us understand the concept of perimeter and area. Now suppose we are having a square. This is a square field. If someone asks us to find out the fencing, the cost of fencing. So first of all, what we will do, fencing means the outer boundary. Fencing is always done at the outer boundary. So we will be finding the perimeter. Okay, so for fencing we will find out the perimeter, and perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Okay, and once we found out the perimeter, then we will multiply with the cost of 1 meter, or whatever the unit would be. Then we will multiply with this perimeter along with it. We will find the cost of the fencing. Now suppose if someone tells us that this is a square field and we have to have the tiles. We want to fit the tiles in the square field. So for finding the tiles, number of tiles or whatever, we needed area. Okay, so it means when we are dealing with the outer boundary, we will find the perimeter, and when we have to deal with the inner part, we will find the area. Okay, so now let us start with the exercise 9.1. Now students, exercise 9.1. Now here we are given this parallelogram. So this diagram is given 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Just remember that when we want to find the area in first question, it is given to find the area of the each figure. So area of parallelogram, this is the short form of parallelogram, parallel lines and gram, base into height. Base into height. Base, this one, height is always straight. Okay, so on the base, this is your base, always the height would be straight. So base is 7, height is 4, 7 into 4 is 28, and as centimeter and centimeter they are multiplying. So as you have done in the exponents law, when bases are same, powers are added. So if you see centimeter here, 1 power. Base is centimeter and power is 1. So when bases are same, powers are added, so its unit becomes centimeter square. Okay, so here in this first diagram the area comes out to be 28 centimeter square. Okay, so one more part of this sum we will do. This is question number 1. First part we done. Now let us do E part. E part diagram is again of parallelogram. Okay, now here in this case, height, this one is height is means perpendicular, which is perpendicular at 2 centimeter, and height is given to us 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so height you can say perpendicular, okay, or you can say altitude, it means the same. Now area of parallelogram, we will apply the same formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. So here if you see base is 2. Okay, it is not say that only the lower part is your base. Now you assume that 2 is the base and what is the height on it, which is 90 at 90 degree. It is 4.4. So 2 is base and what is height? 4.4. Now when you multiply, you get 8.8 centimeter square. Okay, so 8.8 centimeter square is your answer. I think concept is same. Here if you also have centimeter, here also centimeter. Power of centimeter is 1. Nothing means 1. Bases are same, powers are added. 1 plus 1, 2. So it becomes centimeter square. Okay. So question 1 we have done 2 parts. Now let us move to question number 2. Now question number 2. In this question find the area of each triangles. Now here we are given the triangles. Now this is triangle and here again height is given 3 centimeter and a base is given to us 4 centimeter. Now see students, if you see triangle is a part of parallelogram, okay, and it is half of it. Now if you see this parallelogram, if I divide with the diagonal, with the help of diagonal, it will be divided into 2 triangles. It means formula, if you remember for the parallelogram, it was base into height. As the triangle is half of the parallelogram, so its area will also become half. Okay, so just remember area of triangle. Now we don't have to write parallelogram, we are using area of triangle is equal to, you know that area of parallelogram is base into height, as triangle is half of it. So half multiplied base into height. Okay, half, base is 4, height is 3. Okay, now 2 and 4 would be divisible with the same number. Okay students, don't try to cut numerator or denominator. One numerator and one denominator can be cancelled. So as 4 and 2 both are coming in table of 2. So we will divide with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So what we got? 2 into 3 is 6. This one is also in centimeter. This one is also in centimeter. So what is the answer? 6 centimeter square is your answer. Okay students. Now let us do one more part. Now last part. Question number 2, last part, let us do. Now see here we are given 2 centimeter and this one is 3 centimeter. Now if you see students, some students get confused in what to take the altitude. Always remember where you are having this sign 90 degree. It is your altitude or your height. Okay? Don't take the slanting line as your height. Height as you can stand straight. In the same way, height is measured, which you see that it is perpendicular. Okay? So, area of triangle. Formula you should remember is equal to half into base into height. Okay? Base is 3, height is 2. Okay? 2 will be cancelled with 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 centimeter square is your answer. Okay? So now let us do the question number 3. In question number 3, they have given us the question in the form of fill in the missing values. So first what you can do, question number 3, first part you can write what is given to you. You are given base. Base is given to you as 20 centimeter. And what else is given? Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is given. What is? 246 centimeter square. Okay, so what they have told to find? They have told to find the height. Okay, students. So simply, first of all, what is given to you? Area of parallelogram is 246. As you have the names of one single person, have two names. Similarly, you can evaluate this value and the formula. So firstly, let us simply write area of parallelogram. अच्छा ठीक है बच्चे, if in exam if it is given area of triangle, then you will write the area of triangle. Now in this question it is given area of parallelogram, you will write area of parallelogram. Write this formula, base into height. Now area of parallelogram we know. Now what it is given? 246. On one side we have written 246 and on other side we have written base and height we want to find. Okay. Height we want to find. Now as I have used to tell you that whatever you want to find, keep it alone. Okay, so what is alone to be kept? Height, because we want to find it. So height once kept alone. Now here it is multiplication. When multiplication goes to other side, it became division. Okay? Multiplication converts into division when it's go to other side. Now as you see the last digits, these are even. They come in table of 2. So it means they are divisible by 2. So let us divide. 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 1 2 4 2 3 6. Now as you see 123 and below is we are having the digit 10, only 1 0. Now it means our height is equal to 12.3. ठीक है, 1 0 it means when we write 12 1 we will move to left side. ठीक है, so 12.3 centimeter is your height. Okay, so this way you can find. Now let us find one more part of this. So let us do C part. C part of this question. Here in this question it is given. We have given height and area. Okay, so let us write height is 8.4 centimeter. Area is given to us 48.72 centimeter square. And they have told us to find base. We have been told to find the base. Okay, as area of parallelogram is given, so we will write the formula of area of parallelogram. As we know that area of parallelogram is base into height. We have written this. Okay. Now also area of parallelogram given. It is 48.72 is equal to base we want to find. Let me write base into height is given to us 8.4. So we will write 8.4 centimeter. Okay, now we want to find base. So next step would be to keep it alone. Keep the base alone. 48.72 upon 8.4. Okay. So this way we want to find out the base. Now next step students, what we will be doing, we will remove these decimals. Okay. Now let us move to remove the decimals. I am rubbing from the top. Now let us write 48. Now I am removing this because after 8 we are having two digits 1 2. So we will be placing two zeros. Now into, now it is in denominator. Okay, 8.4. It is in denominator. It will be in denominator. Now decimal. After decimal, how many digits we have? One digit. So 1 0. Now this decimal, when we remove, it will be here like this. As I have told you, the third term will go and along with the numerator. If it is coming, then 8.4. Once we removed 8.4 decimal, after decimal we got one digit, so 1 0 we got. Now this is 0. Third term will be going along with the numerator. So here 10 comes. Okay. So once we remove the decimal signs, now we will cancel 0 with 0. Now last digit is 2. Here is 4. Here is 0. It means these can be divisible by 2. Okay. So let us write 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Okay students, if you find any difficulty, what you can do in rough work area, you can find, only you have to see whether the last digit is 8. If you find difficulty, what you can do on one side rough work area, you can do the division with 2. Okay. 4s are 8. 7 2 3s are. So this way you can find out. Okay. So whatever the questions you will be getting, you will be writing there. Now students, after this, again 6 and 4. One places are even, so it means they are divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So as you see, last digits we are having again the even numbers. You can see whether they are divisible by 3 also. Now see, if they are divisible by 2 and 3, it means they will be divisible by 6, because the divisibility rule of 6 says that if the number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, then it would be divisible by 6 also. You can continue with the 2 also, but it will become so long. So I decided to see whether it is divisible by 3, then we can divide straight away with 6. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Now as the number is both divisible by 2 and 3, so it means it will be divisible by 6 also. So I am taking the divisibility by 6. 6 7s are 42. Okay. 6 2s are 12. Now here it is 1, so it is smaller. 6 zeros are 0. 6 3s are 18. So what we got, 203. Okay. 203 upon 5 into 7 is 35. Now students, let us do the division. 203 with 35. Let us divide. So if you see, because you see the last digit, this one here, 203. 7 it becomes greater. 7 3s are 21, 22, it would be greater. So we will be taking 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. It is again greater. So So let us take 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 3 15 and 2 70. So we need to take borrow. Okay. 13 minus 5 8. 9 minus 7 2. So we taken 0 from ourselves. Now if we take 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So here it became 0. So what is the answer? 5.8. Now see what was the unit here. It was given centimeter. So we will write here unit is centimeter. Okay, so this way we have done the calculations. Okay, so take in view that this way you can solve the sum. Now let us move to question number 4. Again बच्चे this question number 4 is again of this same type. Only what you have to do, instead of area of parallelogram you have to take area of triangle. ठीक है? So area of triangle, you know, it is half into base into height. Okay students, so try this question number 4. If you find any difficulty you can ask me. Now let us do question number 5. ठीक है? So let us do question number 5. Now first of all read the question thoroughly. PQRS is a parallelogram. So once you read the question, always try to give it the form of the figure. Okay? Once you understand the concept, then you can give it the shape of the figure and then you can find out. Sometimes the examiner can give you the diagram, but it depends upon examiner. He or she cannot give you, may or may not give you the diagram. So you should understand how you will be drawing the diagram. So PQRS. So either you take the concept clockwise or anti-clockwise, but it should be in order. Take it PQRS. Don't take it PQRS. This way it is wrong. It should be in sequence, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now let us see then next is PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q. QM is the height from Q. ठीक है? To SN and QN is the height from Q to QN is the height from Q to PS. Now if SR is given to 12 centimeter, means this total is 12 centimeter. ठीक है? And QM, this one, 7.6 centimeter. This is given. So what they have told to find, first of all area of parallelogram, PQRS and then Q1. ठीक है? So in first of all let us find the area of parallelogram. So simply first part, area of parallelogram. Now name of the parallelogram is PQRS. PQRS. Formula as usual you know, base into height. ठीक है? So simply what is the base? If you see, SR is your base. What is height given to you? Q1. ठीक है? So if you are taking this base which is given 12, what is the height which is at 90 degree? ठीक है? That is your height. Always height is straight. As you think that when you stand straight now. So that is your height. So in a similar way the height would be perpendicular. Now base is 12, height is 7.6. 12 into 6 is 72, 7 carry. 12 into 7 is 84. 84 plus 7. So it is 91. 91.2. ठीक है? Centimeter square is your area of parallelogram. First part is there. Now in second part, they have told that we have to find the QN, this one. Now if you see QN, if you see that this one perpendicular, as I have told you, that perpendicular is always at 90 degree to the base. If this one is Q1, it is at 90 degrees, and it is this one is factual that the base would be PS. Now it means again we will say the same parallelogram, because each and every individual have their, if you see that ma'am why you have taken this side now, because once each and every individual has different opinions. So once you are seeing the diagram from this side, some other individual has seen the diagram from that side. Okay? So this base and area of parallelogram is same, formula same, parallelogram is same, base into height. So in first part, as we know the area now, what is the area? 91.2. Now we will use its area. 91.2 is equal to, what is base? Base is PS. And what is height? Height is QN. Okay? So now we know 91.2, again I have written what is PS. Now PS is given to you 8 centimeter. In second part they have written PS 8 centimeter. 8 you have written. Now into Q1. Okay? Now as I have told you that whatever you want to find, keep it alone. Now we want to find Q1, so we will keep it alone. Now students, I am erasing the diagram. Now if you see, I am writing it again. Just change their directions, because once we change the direction, it is because both are positive and we are taking sides Q1. We want to find now side Q1. It would be kept alone. 91.2 multiplication will change into division when it changes the place. When it is going to other side, it converts into division. So 8 is dividing this now. Now as the last digit is even, so it means it is divisible by 2. Okay? Now 2 4s are 8. Okay? So, or once again, if you see students, you can okay, let me make one thing more for your convenience. I will remove this decimal sign. So before we remove the decimal sign, after decimal we are having one digit, so 1 0 will come and 8 we will place. Okay? Now let us, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Okay? Now if you see again, we can divide with the 2 also, because last digit is even, last digit is even. Now if you remember students, divisibility rule of 4 also. Divisibility rule of 4 says the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Okay? So straight away we can cancel with 4 also. You can go with 2 also. Keep on dividing with 2, again you will divide with 2. Now here, as you remember divisibility rule of 4 also. So I am cancelling with 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Again 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So what we get? Upon 10. Now we are having only 1 0. So 11. We will write down the same number. How many digits? 0 1 0. 1. So we will place the decimal here. 11.4 is your answer. Okay student. So we are finished with the question number 5. Okay. So these sums you can try. Question 5, question 6 is also of the same type. So try this. I am doing the last part of this exercise. Try the same sums in the same way. Okay. Now I am doing the last 8th question. Then we will be finishing this video. Question number 8. It is written that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. अच्छा बच्चे, isosceles means whose two sides are same. ठीक है? If sides are same, angles would also be same. ABC is an isosceles. Okay, IABC is an isosceles triangle with sides AB and AC both are same. Okay, AB AC means they are both 7.5 centimeter. Both are of same side, 7.5 centimeter. BC is 9 centimeter. This whole. Okay. BC is 9 centimeter. Now the height AD from A to BC. Height AD from A to BC is given to us 9 centimeter. Okay. And BC at the height from A to BC is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of triangle. Find the height from CE to AB. C2. Now again this height is drawn from, this means 90 degree. Height as I have told you is always of, this 6 is for AD. Okay, I am rubbing so that you may not confuse. Now 6, and we want to find the height from C, from the vertex C on AB. Okay, to AB, that is CE. That is CE means they named it. We want to find this. Okay students, now let us write whatever we are given in exam. First thing, make it clear that what is given, write it. So in the triangle you are given. So make your height, I am not writing these now. BC you will write is equal to 9. AC is given, AC is equal to 7.5, AB is equal to 7. AD is equal to 6 centimeter. All this you will write. After this you will write area of, now we are dealing with the area of triangle. Okay. So area of triangle ABC. Now as you know that area of triangle is half of area of parallelogram. So half area of parallelogram is base into height. So area of triangle becomes half into base into height. Okay. So base, if you see, 9 centimeter, or you can firstly write BC is your base. Height is AB. Okay. BC is 9. AD is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. Now denominator is 2 and numerator is 6. So we will cancel 2 ones are 2 threes are. 9 into 3, 27 centimeter square. So what we got, first part we are done with. So what we got, 27 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Okay. Now let us do the next part. We want to find CE, height. Okay. Again. So again students, you have to find, because the triangle is same. Okay. ABC. Either you write the triangle ABC, BCA, ACB. It means the same. Now area of triangle is this, formula would be same. Now base, now it is AB. Now what is the base? If you see from this side, AB is the base. And on AB, what is the height? CE. Okay, AB's base height is, now you have found out area. I think I have found out 27. Yeah, recently I rubbed. 27 is the area of triangle. Half into AB 7.5 centimeter. CE we want to find. Okay. Now next step students, as I have told you, whatever we want to find, keep it alone. So let us keep alone CE. We will take other things on other side. Now 1 by 2. 2 means here it is dividing. So once it changes its place, it goes to the other side. Division will change into multiplication. So 27 multiplied by 2, and here it is dividing, multiplying. So on other side it will divide. It means it will come here as 7.5. So we will now, next step students, what we will do, we will remove this decimal sign. Now students, we are on the end point. I am now rubbing this diagram. So students, Diagram plays a very vital role. Okay? So always try to do the sums, solve the sums by drawing the diagrams. Now let us find C. So 27 into 2 is 7.5. So I am rubbing this upon 10. Okay, 7.5. Decimal, after decimal we are having one digit. So 1 0 we placed. Now as I have told you, the term is 1, 2, 3, third term. It will go along with the numerator. So 27 into 2 into 10 upon 75. Okay? Now students, let us find. Now apply the divisibility rules. 27, if you see 7 plus 5, 12, it means divisibility of 3 is satisfied. So 3 we will divide. 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Okay? So 25 we got here. And 9 now next we will simply 9 into 2 18. Yes, we have still one more. Because 0 and 5. Last divisibility rule of 5 says the one's digit can be either 0 or 5. So it means it is divisible by 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now let us 18 into 2 is 36 upon 5. Now you can use the division. Okay. You can 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. If you are unable, you can see the division. You can do the division on upper failure. 5 7s are 35. Okay, 1 you got. Now after this we are having no digits. So what we can do? We can place a decimal from ourselves and 0 we will take. Now in table of 5, 5 2s are 10. So we got the 7.2 centimeter is your answer. Okay students. So we have finished this exercise. Now I hope